disc herniation that Dr. Kim says is massive, and I can feel that because in the past 4 months I haven't really left my house besides going to doctor's appointments. I can't really sit down and eat dinner with my family at a table, and I just constantly have pain. So it's even made my spine kind of tilted, my body's tilted, I'm always cheating this side, and walking is super painful. I've been dealing with this herniated disc for probably about 6 months. So I just got to the point where something had to change. I've tried everything, it hasn't gotten any better, so I'll be going to Dr. Kim for my surgery.
Dr. Choll Kim here from sunny San Diego, California. This is an adorable, cute 37-year-old. She owns her own business where she sends actors with themes like Disney, etc. to birthday parties and other events. What a great idea that is, because nowadays the kids know how to party and celebrate at a level that is so beyond when I was a kid. When I was a kid, all we did is chew on bark and stuff. Anyway, she has had back pain radiating down her right leg for quite some time. She's toughed it out for as long as she could. But look at this monster. This is a humongous disc herniation. So we grade the size of the disc herniation: small, moderate, large, and humongous. This is what the canal should look like at a normal level. You can't even see the canal. So we will do a minimally invasive laser endoscopic transforaminal approach, and hopefully this will get her back to her busy entrepreneurial life as soon as possible. So we're all hoping for the best.
I'm all prepped for surgery with Dr. Kim, and this is probably the most excited I've ever been for a surgery. On my way here, I realized, since I've only been taking Tylenol, how bad this thing has gotten, because I haven't been taking any anti-inflammatory like Aleve that I would normally be taking to get rid of pain. So it's been really hard to walk, hard to sit down. And as a business owner here in San Diego, I haven't been able to sit down with my staff and be in my office at all. So I'm hoping that this will get me back to normal sooner, and I will update you after.
Alrighty, we're getting started. I identified the perfect entry point using a combination of intraoperative image, anatomic technique, and the FOSS, Luke, the FOSS. Now, I'm going to take the spaghetti noodle dilator and create the perfect surgical corridor. So look at this huge bump. I should be able to just get into the canal easily right there, like I would right there. So that's below the disc herniation. So all this from here to way up there above that. Still looking for Big Bertha. There she is. She's not coming out without a fight. Here comes Big Bertha, Mikey fragment. Oh! Woo! Look at this, it's like a little mouse. So that big bump is gone. That's where that blue line is. X-ray? Oh yes, doctor, that is basically where the disc herniation was. All right, here are the pieces of the disc herniation. Look at how much there is. That's supposed to be in a canal that's only that big. Look how much is there. You can see why you're so miserable. I fully expect you to get better right away, so best wishes, honestly. All right, surgery's all done. It went perfect. We did it through that little poke hole, which I suspect we will not be able to find in 6 months. It will be like, is that it, or is that a blemish or something? Because I'm just going to put this dinky little Band-Aid on. It's so cute. But it's still real surgery, so we're all rooting for you. Best wishes on a speedy recovery, right, guys? Oh yeah, that was the best cheer ever.
I'm out of surgery, and I'm feeling a little dizzy from all the medication, but I was able to get up and walk to the bathroom, which was really great, and I didn't have any pain, and I didn't feel like my body was tilted, you know, from the pain, but it was really nice not having any nerve pain down my leg right after surgery, and just being able to get up and walk was really cool too. Another thing that I should mention, I am laying here with my legs straight, and I haven't been able to straighten out my legs without pain in so long, so this is really cool.
So the craziest thing is I just got out of surgery like hours ago, and I can walk without any pain. I haven't been able to put weight on this leg in like 6 months. This is just so crazy that I'm walking right now, and I'm going to sit in the car and not have pain. really cool and miraculous. So thank you, Dr. Kim. Post-surgery, and I'm here in Hawaii vacationing with my family. It really is a dream come true because a month ago I could barely walk down the hallway in my house without excruciating pain, and now I'm able to be a normal person again and be on vacation. And this was really my goal when I went to Dr. Kim, to be able to do this, and so I'm just eternally grateful for that. I do still experience pain sometimes, like if I sleep on a really soft bed. Some of our hotel rooms have had soft beds, and I wake up the next day feeling like, okay, I need to go do the stretches and exercises that Dr. Kim suggested. Usually after doing those, I'm able to be pain-free the rest of the day. Also, if I do too much during the day and I push myself a little too hard, I start to feel more pain. Nothing that like one Tylenol can't fix. My pain level when I do experience that is probably a 2 out of 10 versus the 8 out of 10 that I was experiencing before I had surgery with Dr. Kim. So I am just eternally grateful to him for this miraculous surgery that he performed. I cannot believe that, considering I was in such bad shape just 1 month ago, that now I'm walking freely, experiencing life like a normal person. I am just so happy, and the recovery was so quick that I would have never done it any other way. And thank you, Dr. Kim, for everything. I will always be grateful to you.